Hi, I'm Abdul Khaliq. I'm 23 years old, and I registered myself at Blue Ocean about the beginning of 2021. And since I had a greater chance to acknowledge and attain so much knowledge about aviation, I joined for the foundation course at Blue Ocean, and the management over there and the faculties helped me a lot to attain and to understand the aviation. I have been applying for the airport since, and I did get offers from Etihad, and I'm about to attend an interview. So whoever wants to get a job in Etihad or Emirates, don't feel shy to apply at Blue Ocean, and I promise you that you'll have a wonderful time over there.